lunch. Oh, dummy. Can I just say that's a pretty sexy egg if you ignore like the pimple. Ow, top. No, it's my view. Lewis is editing. We just filmed some episode 7 and it was very awkward. I call Lewis a squib.
We're just downloading stuff and waiting for Sophie. She's like,
ew, get off the camera. Hello.
Hello.
We're about to slime her up.
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
There's
It's gonna be really fun.
apple conditioner to do it with.
That's really green.
Smell it.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay, that's quite nice.
It smells awesome, doesn't it?
Yes.
that means you can wash it out without.
Yes.
Dying.
No icing this time.
No, that was fun.
Right, so this is my bath. That's the pillow. I bought my brother, it's a ducky pillow for baths. Okay, so
Oh god, I remember last time.
do you want to just sit in there? So basically, yeah, this needs to...
I mean, that's gonna work.
It'll work.
Alright.
It's not gonna work.
Oh shit. Okay.
Conditioner.
Wait, how slimed am I?
You're pretty slime.
Is it on my conditioner in it? That's the thing.
Yeah.
It's only conditioner.
It's not gonna like
fine.
stain or
Just do
anything.
it.
Alright,
Just
okay,
do it.
keep your eyes.
Oh god. Okay.
Okay, you can do this. It's just, I'm gonna start on your head, alright?
Please don't go in my eye.
Oh, that's gross. That's gross. Oh, it's like snot or something.
Oh my god. Oh. Putting that in my mouth, that's...
Yeah. Okay, keep your eyes completely closed. Completely closed.
Can I come on?
Yeah, you can cover your eyes now.
I'm scared. That didn't sound good.
Oh, it's not coming out properly. Oh. I'm just gonna rub it like a face mask. Oh, lovely. Okay, give me some hair.
Oh.
Oh, yes. Oh,
My
my
hair is
nose.
greasy.
I'm sorry, this is really fun. My bathroom smells amazing right now.
It does smell very good.
Okay.
Almost edible.
Frozen like you.
Oh god!
Okay, keep your head up. Keep your head up.
Oh!
High five. High five.
Oh! It went in my hair! God!
You look a giant.
It got in my hair.
That's in my eye. That's great. Oh,
Wait, where is it?
it's like near my eye.
You go on the back of it as well.
You see the back of the head? Okay, lean forwards.
You really like
Say that.
Just do it. Do it.
I got some pictures on my
Wait,
phone, numbers that I don't know. I just like I've been
Okay, cool it.
It's like it's gonna.
wherever we want. We're young enough to say, oh, this is gonna be
I just had so much fun. This is the best scene. Okay, I think you probably get out of one.
It's a great improvement from last time. That's all I can say.
Yeah, it smells nice.
Majorly. That's good as well.
You might actually just want to sit in there with us.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to take the camera off.
Oh wow.
You're going to have really nice hair. Okay, so keep your eyes really closed.
Okay.
It smells good.
It really does.
I'm happy we chose this one.
Definitely.
Tell me if it's too hot.
It's fine. Ow. Okay.
Right? I feel like he's grooming a dog.
So lovely. Oh my god, the camera's in my face.
He's not,
It's
okay?
for me this moment in time.
I'm trying to wash your eyes out.
Oh my god. Okay, that's washed. That's washed.
It's all down the side of your face.
Wow, your hair is really slimy still. Like, I think it's too much.
Maybe a little
It
bit.
just, Okay, wait, keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open.
Oh my god.
I think she's done.
This is torn.
It's down the side of her face.
It's fine. You still got it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
What?
The bad thing is we still need to put her around.
They got no face.
What? Yes. Wow. It's like it smells good. It actually smells quite nice. I can't be left alone with the camera. Take this. Don't take it. How much coke would it take? How much cover would it cost? Fuck me. She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
What about a reptile?
The seashells that she sells.
It's 8 o'clock. Yum yum yum. It's like almost 1.
You have to wait 2 hours for the render.
Look at smarter cat. Diversionary tactic. I'm gonna film in a minute. Yeah, so finally finished doing everything. It is now 4:30? About 4:30, and we're finally about to go to our sofas, I think. Yeah. Good night. Lewis, say good night.